Okay, yeah, so this is basically the moment of truth. Well, not right now. Um, just in a second. Wait, can I do it some more? Oh yeah, I can. 3 XP. Holy shit. Okay, let's go. Oh, okay, it's because I had to confirm the dialogue. Oh, I could have grinded mage, but now I can't. Oh, um, ultimate. What? What? What the fuck? Dr. Paul. Ultimate Iron Man. Permanent. Let's see. Ultimate Iron Woman. Armor. Okay. Well, let's go. Ultimate Iron Man started. Yes. Oh, Eastern. That's West. Yeah. I just messed up. Oh shit. On the fucking door. I got this. What the fuck? Didn't get a key. Oh, you find a large key. That's gotta be it. No. Oh my god. No. Um. That's gonna be clutch. Okay, okay. Oh, I entered the wrong things. Stupid. Okay. No! Fuck. Uh, dang it, dang it. Dang it! I'd region 2. I'm so good. I am so good at this game. Not even gonna click. Yeah, actually I am gonna click. What? How's the big wolf over there? I feel like hitting my table so fucking hard right now. We never know. Oops, I just clicked auto retaliate. I just used... I'm not gonna risk it. Even though I could've. I should've actually. Yeah, I'm just gonna run the whole thing. Oh my god, that's just awesome. I'm not the only one dying. And that guy lost way more. He lost way more than I did. And I'm not gonna be stupid and drop my shit there, don't worry. Oh my god. Okay. If I fucking died this time, I think I'm just gonna like train skills, I don't know. Oh, what? Hit by the skeleton. Run! Get hit by the skeleton! Use the urn on it. Oh my god. Let's go. It should give me like 1k? 2k. Pretty cool. Okay, let's go. Second floor. Second level. 3k. And remember guys, if you leave the room, you have to log out. This is what the stronghold of security tells you. It has to be true. Fuck. Okay, it should be working now. Ooh, let's go. Wait, I already got 10k? Oh yeah, I don't want the boots actually, so fuck that, I'm not doing it. The last thing you get from this chest is only like random ass boots that nobody wants, so you gotta go all the way back up. And I can go buy my Addy sword and some runes to train magic. And I don't know where I'm gonna train. Okay, here we go. I meant longsword. Boom. No, actually I couldn't have because you need Slayer to get the pure essence. Or no, you can mine them. I could have been rank 1 run crafting, but it's actually not that bad. Let's see. No, I couldn't clean it. Now I'm about to start the Black Knight's Fortress. I seek a quest. Okay. Fuck. 12 quest points, really? Big crime. And that should get me good HP XP. Maybe get level 20, I don't know, I have no idea how much I get. Like 5k? 5k seems a lot, but at the same time, you know, it has to be a good reward. Oh shit, that is a good boost. 29 combat. There we go. Well, now I'm at 11 quest points, so I'm gonna do room mysteries, which shouldn't be too hard, but it's definitely gonna be long, and I won't be needing my ultimate armor for that, so I can just destroy it for now. Okay, so that should be the end of the quest, I think. There we go. 12 quest points. Now I can do the other quest. I won't be needing that, I don't think. Holy shit! I got a steel chain body. There's no fucking way. Wow. Okay, so I should be good now to talk to Sir Amy Vars, which is, oh, he's right there. Okay, and I should get my reward, which is, I don't know what. And I don't really care. Oh, okay. 2.5k, 3 quest points. Okay, I just got 20 magic on a guard, just so, you know, I'd be level 20. I think 21? Oh no, wind bolt is 17. What's that 21? Nothing. Well, low alch, but who's gonna do low alch? And there we go, quest completed. 36 attack. And some thieving XP also. It's pretty cool. Tomorrow I might do Sea Slug. Oh fuck, I did farm making. Recruitment drive for sure. Maybe Lost City, I don't know. Grand Tree. Yeah, Grand Tree probably. And Dark's Quest maybe.